Hello friends, welcome to my channel Artaholic Revive. As we all are aware that next Sunday is a very special day. Yes, it's a Mother's Day. So why not to gift something different, something handmade to beloved mother. Today's video tutorial will be helpful to you to express some love towards your mother. In this painting, I am using finger painting technique and I feel more engrossed with paints while painting with this technique. So let's get started. Here I have taken a 16 by 18 canvas board and I am making a rough sketch using a pencil. Once the sketch is over, I am painting the outlines with black acrylic color so that the outlines would be more visible while painting with some darker colors. Before using a finger painting technique for painting, you must perform an allergy test. If you are allergic to acrylic paints, then you must wear hand gloves. Here, I am not comfortable with wearing gloves, so I am just directly painting with my fingers. While painting with finger painting technique, the pressure applied should be very low. It is very easy to merge colors while painting with finger painting technique. Finger painting technique is the one I like the most because it's super fun to paint with your fingers directly. Here I am painting background with the light blue and white color and adding some yellow color to indicate the sunlight. Once the background is over, you can choose any set of colors. As it's a type of abstract painting, there is no boundary of color selection. convenience and gift to your mom. And please share your feelings with me in the comment section below. If you have enjoyed watching this video, then like it and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. See you next time. Till then, keep reviving an artist inside you. Bye bye.